ko Baylee Sooula Sadie
Kia ora, ko Sadie Aramoana tuku ingoa. Today, Baylee and I are going to teach you how to pronounce our school's name properly.
It's not pronounced.
Mahora.
Cole, we need to roll the R, whānake.
Repeat after us.
Ma,
Ho,
ra. Put it all together.
Mahora.
It's time to politely greet people who say Mahora.
It's time to start rolling your R's.
There are also two other ingoa of the Mahora area.
Mahora hora and Mahora nuiatia.
Oe e te whānau.
It's time to start pronouncing our place name properly.
If our tamari can do it, you can do it too.
Whakahua